These goons are being run from the State Department of Interior. And the person responsible for these goons is none other than the PS for Interior, Raymond Omollo. We are saying without any fear that Raymond Omollo must be arrested. If he is not arrested in the next 2 weeks, we are going to take certain actions that will have to force the hand of government to be able to put a stop to this nonsense. Politics should never get to a point where we can be attacked even when we are with our families having lunch or having a drink. And this culture has gone on for so long that it is now a time when we have to say we are drawing the red line there. It doesn't matter what your political persuasion is. Let us debate the issues. Let us debate the issues. But I told you a few days or a few weeks ago that we have won every argument as the Linda Mwananchi team. The people are on our side, the issues are on our side, the constitution is on our side, the law is on our side, the DJ is on our side. So they have decided that the only way now is a physical brawl. And we are going to reject that invitation to a physical war. Let us sit down. Send your best debaters. Send them and let us debate the issues. Whoever it is you feel that, for instance, one of the things that we have said within ODM is that our brothers have never tried to persuade us why William Ruto deserves a second term. They have never tried. They are forcing us to accept a position without ever trying to persuade us. Let us have a debate between these characters who sing two-term and those of us who believe that William Ruto does not deserve an extra day in office. Let us have, you can host the debate wherever it is you want. Hey, let's go to Catholic University or the University of Nairobi. Point by point, tell us why that criminal who kills young people deserves to continue as President of the Republic of Kenya. It's that simple. And allow us to also persuade you that we can actually build a country, a government that respects human rights, a government that respects the dignity of the people of Kenya, a government that does not have to kill anyone in order to perpetuate itself in power. We are ready for that debate. Are you prepared for that debate? Or have you decided that you are going with goons and that is the entire argument? So we want to condemn in the strongest terms what has happened, to Senator Osotsi. We are grateful that he is okay and that this afternoon he gets to go home to his family. But we want to say without any fear that the person responsible for these goons has been identified by the people of Kisumu, by the people of Western Kenya. He is the Interior PS Raymond Omollo.